They're really beautiful. What I like about this is I feel like I'm inside the music. It feels very true. I think the most frightening thing for a human is to feel completely alone. And music just erases that feeling. Sometimes music can speak the unspoken. Straight into I wanna know. That feeling of togetherness that it gives you, that's very powerful. Gonna keep dancing when the lights go out. When you shut out all the other noise, what you have left is just this connection between people. Songs themselves come from a place I don't really understand or know. A bit like waves in the ocean, where you don't know where they came from,